Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2019 Dodge Charger SXT. This is my first Charger I think I've driven, except for the Hellcat. And it's really nice, especially finished in Go Mango. Pretty good color name, really nice metallic. This is the Blacktop edition. Total sticker price of just under $40,000 at $39,785. Interior's definitely different than the Challenger. It's not the exact same, even though they're loosely based on the same platform. Really nice materials, nice leather armrest here, nice paddles behind the wheel. This is the houndstooth cloth. Leather, of course, is available. As stated before, this is the Pentastar V6 model. Of course, you can get your V8 and your Hellcat, and for 2020, you can now get the wide body in the Charger, which definitely once we get one in, I will be filming. ZF 8-speed automatic is the only transmission available for the Charger. There is no manual. But if you need a manual, we have the Challenger. You can just get a manual in that. Other than that, really nice interior. Very comfortable, actually. And very quick for what it is. I could definitely see this being a great daily driver for someone who wants something for the family, but needs to have a little bit of fun. This is actually a good daily driver for somebody who has a Hellcat, Hellcat Challenger or something. Get a Charger, and you can still have fun on your daily commute. Steering wheel feels great. It's pretty much the exact same steering wheel as what's in my Challenger. Feels great to the hands, nice and meaty. All the touch points on it feel great. Brakes feel phenomenal. They definitely stop you even with these being the base brakes, not Brembos or anything like that. Stop you without issue. Gas pedal. Gas pedal works pretty good. Not touchy at all. It's really nice. You do have Super Track Pack, which gives you your launch control, your sport mode, which you can change if you want your engine transmission into sport, your traction control, your steering. Really cool. Then you can turn it on and off with the sport button right to the left of it. Right to the left, yeah. That's the thing with doing one takes is you start thinking about what you just said and how it doesn't make sense. Ride is great with the all-wheel drive. The car is raised up a couple inches, which is definitely good for ground clearance and stuff like that for the snow. Actually, we'll just test the kick down. That's awesome. Overall visibility, phenomenal as well. Backseat room, fantastic. Yeah, no complaints really. I mean, even with this being the base charger, being the base motor, it's still really, really nice in here. It's definitely peppy. All the touch points feel great, especially this sunroof. It's awesome. Paddles work great. It won't auto upshift for you. It won't downshift. It's really, really nice. It's a manual mode. I don't like it when transmissions decide, hey, I know what's best. It's not bad at all. This is considered the only four-door muscle car. Mustang, well, now you have the Mach-E, which I don't really consider a Mustang. Now, well, you have the Blazer too, so I think the Blazer and the Mach-E are kind of similar, but this is the only muscle car where you have 707 horsepower, you know, and all the variants of the two-door version. So the Charger's best in class there because it's the only one in its class. On that note, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next one.